In the vast, golden expanse of the African plains, there lived a solitary caracal, the guardian of the grasslands. This elegant, sleek feline roamed freely, its coat shimmering like golden sand in the sunlight. One day, a storm swept across the plains, uprooting trees and flooding the rivers. The caracal watched as the landscape changed, the golden expanse now a sea of mud and debris. The smaller creatures, its usual prey, had vanished, leaving the caracal hungry and alone. In the midst of this chaos, a young gazelle appeared, weak and exhausted. The caracal, despite its own hunger, felt a strange compassion. It could have easily made a meal of the gazelle, yet it chose to let it live. Word of the caracal's kindness spread throughout the plains. The smaller creatures, once fearful, began to trust the caracal. In return, the caracal was rewarded with food and companionship. One day, a poacher arrived, armed with a deadly trap. The caracal, sensing danger, alerted the other creatures. They worked together, using their strength and cunning to free the caracal from the trap. In that moment, the caracal realized the true power of compassion and cooperation. It had chosen to help another, even when it was in its own best interest to do otherwise. This act of kindness had not only saved its life, but also brought unity to the diverse creatures of the plains. From that day forward, the caracal continued to protect the grasslands, not just as a guardian, but as a friend and ally to all. The storm had passed, but the caracal's legacy remained, a testament to the power of kindness and unity in the face of adversity. In this simple tale of a caracal and the grasslands, we find a profound message. Each of us can be a guardian, protecting not just our own interests, but the interests of those around us. Compassion, unity, and selflessness are not just virtues, they are the keys to survival and prosperity.